Hello, bonjour. I'm Tulle Ramplant, your International Living France correspondent, and I'd like to talk to you more about living in this amazing country. France is the largest country in Western Europe and offers many fascinating cities to live in and to explore. In the north, you have the Lorraine and Alsace regions with their German influences and picture-perfect fairy tale cities like Strasbourg. Traveling down the coast, you'll find stunning scenery along the Brittany coast, and further south, you hit the Dordogne region with its mild climate and incredible landscapes. It's a tried and true favorite with expats and one of the top choices for living in France. On the southeastern coast of the country, you'll find the Languedoc region, the largest wine-producing area in France and home to well-known cities like Montpellier. Real estate prices are very affordable and the sun shines pretty much all year long. And then there's the other famous region of the south of France, Provence, which is where I live. It's a very romantic spot with lavender fields, rolling vineyards, and relaxing beach towns which dot the coast. And let's not forget about the region's famous rosé wine. Provence has a perfect laid-back south of France lifestyle that attracts people from all over the world. And you surely can't talk about France without talking about the country's gourmet capitals like Paris and Lyon. If there's one thing that the country does well, it's food. If you come to France, you're guaranteed to eat and drink very well. That's one of the top reasons I love living there. No one is in a rush ever. They take the time to savor and enjoy the things that are really important in life. And they also don't take their health for granted. France was voted the #1 healthcare system in the world by the World Health Organization. And that says a lot for the country and also the standard of living that you'll find there. If you'd like to move to France, you're spoiled for choices for places to live. You can get an ultra-modern apartment in Paris, a Provençal farmhouse to renovate in the south of France, or even a cabin in a beautiful mountain setting. The possibilities are endless. And above all, you enjoy the rich gourmet lifestyle that the French are famous for. Learn more about France and other countries in our daily postcard e-litter. Simply enter your email address and we'll send you a free report about France that covers cost of living, retirement, and much more. It's yours free when you sign up for our postcards. I hope to see you one day soon in France.